Hi guys, this is Monica and I am a life coach, NLP trainer, mind trainer, spiritual guide and meditation coach from New Delhi. And well, I have written one book also by the name of Formula of Happiness, The Secret Within You, which is a bestseller book on Amazon. And I have given a TEDx speech on the subject, Mind is Everything, and I'm into this field since 2017, and I have addressed thousands of people. They all loved my speeches and workshop. I even get good response from them that whatever they have learned through me, all those things actually bring a transformation into their life. So yeah, I love helping people, and this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. Yes. So today I'm here and I have an amazing topic for you. I hope you're going to enjoy this topic. And today I'm going to speak on how to develop a mindset, how to develop a success mindset or mindset of success. So, well, let's start today's topic. I hope you will enjoy. Let me share my screen with you. I hope it is visible. You can see my screen. So, yes. As I said, today's topic is how to develop mindset of success. So what we are going to cover in today's topic, we are going to learn what is mindset of success and how it can help us to transform and how to apply mindset of success. So I would like to start this session by the question why? Why 1% people are rich in the world and why 99% people just want to be rich? Why 1% have 99% wealth of the world and 99% of the people just wish that they can have more money? Why this thing? Why 1% live their life as per their desire, means they live their dream life, and rest just keep thinking that when we are going to reach our success, when we are going to get our dream life. Why this imbalance? Why some people get massive success and others don't? Why this happens? So if you have anything in your mind related to this, drop your answers in the comment box. I would love to read them. But according to psychology, it is, it is their mindset that differentiate successful people from the rest of the people. So it's the mindset that makes them successful, makes them rich, wealthy, and well known in the society. So it's the mindset. And why mindset? So in today's session we are going to talk about mindset only. And why mindset? Because mindset causes us to take action or not to take action, means our action and inaction both depend on our mindset. If we think we can, we make all the excuses to do that particular thing. But on other hand, if we think we cannot, then we make excuses to not to do that thing, right? So it's our actions and inaction that causes our success and failures. So what kind of actions you are taking in your life, that is, you know taking you towards the success. Or on the other hand, those actions that you are not taking, that are also, bringing some change into your life, but that change is for towards the, failure, towards the unsuccess. So yeah, that's why we are talking about mindset. So according to psychology says that there are two kind of people in the world. Two kind of people, okay? One is those people that feel that life is simply happening to them. They feel like, victim of whatever happens to them. They can't change anything. Means कुछ इस तरीके के लोग हैं जो कि एक्चुअली में अपने आप को सिर्फ विक्टिम फील करते हैं कि हमारे पास ये नहीं है, हमारे पास वो नहीं है, हमें हेल्प नहीं मिल रही है, या हम कैपेबल नहीं हैं, या हम कर नहीं सकते हैं। कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी इस तरीके की थिंकिंग होती है, जो कि दूसरों को ब्लेम करते हैं या सिचुएशन को ब्लेम करते हैं और कोई ना कोई बहाना ढूंढते हैं एक्शन ना लेने का। और इस तरीके के लोग जो होते हैं वो कहलाते हैं फिक्स माइंडसेट के लोग। तो this is the first kind of you know people, and there are second kind of people who think that everything is in their control. Even when something happens to them that appears to come from outside, they feel that they still have power to the situation. They still have power over the outcomes or the result or the situation. So this is the sign of successful people. This is the sign of growth mindset, or we can say mindset of success. So there are people जो सोचते हैं कि situation जो भी है, जैसी भी है, we all have that power. We can control whatever is happening around us. Maybe we cannot control what is happening around us, but we always can choose what I gonna think of the situation, because situation in itself has no meaning, right? Situation has no meaning. It's your thoughts, it's your mindset that gives a meaning to the situation. If some situation is bad or good, it is not about the situation is there, but how you are taking that situation, that makes the difference. If you are taking that situation as bad, then it will be, it will bring negative emotions and feeling in you, and it will also force you to not to take action again in the future. Suppose if sometime you fail in an interview and you think, this is not my problem, I have done all and everything, but maybe this is my luck and I didn't get through the interview, so this is my luck, this is the problem of my luck. So some people think कि ये लक जो है वो ही सक्सेस क्रिएट करता है, बट दूसरी तरफ वो लोग होते हैं जो सोचते हैं कि वो अपना लक खुद क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, वो अपना लक खुद बना सकते हैं थ्रू देयर एक्शंस. सो people who believe that they have control over their life, they have control over what they are going to feel or think about any situation in their life, those are the people from the second kind of category, from the second kind of people. And this is the sign of growth mindset and mindset of success. So yeah, let's talk more deep about the subject fixed mindset and growth mindset. What is fixed mindset and what is growth mindset? So fixed mindset के जो लोग होते हैं, they think in a particular way. They always blame situation, or they blame themselves, or they blame others. So it's like that kind of attitude. But growth mindset people always take responsibility of everything. They take responsibility of their emotions, their feeling, their goals, their targets, their plans. They take responsibility of literally all and everything. So fixed mindset के जो लोग होते हैं, they are like कि I am only good at certain things. तो फिक्स माइंडसेट के लोग ये सोचते हैं कि वो लिमिटेड हैं हर वे में, और वो कर नहीं सकते हैं, इसीलिए उन्हें लगता है कि जो लोग सक्सेसफुल हुए हैं वो डिफरेंट लोग हैं मुझसे, वो मेरे जैसे लोग नहीं हैं, वो कोई और डिफरेंट तरीके के लोग हैं, मेरे में वो कैपेबिलिटीज नहीं है, या टैलेंट नहीं है, या मैं नहीं कर सकता काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड. और इस तरीके का जो माइंडसेट होता है, दिस इज कम इनटू द फिक्स माइंडसेट. एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड जो ग्रोथ माइंडसेट के लोग होते हैं, दे थिंक दैट आई कैन बी गुड एट एनीथिंग, because I am a human, right? I am a human, and if I want to learn something, I can. If I want to become good at something, I can. All it needs some practice, right? So growth mindset people have that kind of thinking pattern that makes them responsible, that makes them responsible towards their learning, towards their emotions and feeling, all and everything. And fixed mindset people think that I give up when it gets too hard. तो जब भी फिक्स माइंडसेट के लोगों की लाइफ में कोई चैलेंज आता है, सो दे आर लाइक कि आई गिव अप बिकॉज दिस इज टू हार्ड. तो हार्ड चीजें या चैलेंजेस जब भी आते हैं उनकी लाइफ में, तो वो उन चैलेंजेस को नहीं लेते हैं, और जिसकी वजह से वो आगे भी नहीं बढ़ पाते हैं, बिकॉज challenges means growth, right? If you are challenging yourself, you are challenging situation, or you are taking the challenge, whatever is coming to you, then you are growing, right? So what growth mindset people thinks about this, they think that I try until I get the result I want. So people who have a mindset of success, they think that they can keep trying, no matter how many times they are failing, how many times they are not getting success, no matter how many times they are just not able to do it, but still they think they can, and they keep trying until they get the result. So fixed mindset people think that I hate challenge. They don't like challenge. Fixed mindset people never like challenge. They think this is something कि मुझे रोकने के लिए आए हैं, या challenges जो हैं वो मुझे stop करने के लिए आए हैं, ये तो भगवान की ही गलती है, God ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया है. They start to blame God or their luck. But on the other hand, growth mindset people think that they can take the challenge, they embrace the challenge. So again, I'll say challenges are here to bring the growth into your life. Whenever you take challenge, you are always moving forward, you are always taking a step ahead in your life. So challenges life में आपको हमेशा आगे ही बढ़ाते हैं. No matter how many times you are challenging yourself, you will always move forward, you will always see yourself ahead in your life. So let's see about the fixed mindset. Yes, fixed mindset people hate feedback and criticism. On the other hand, growth mindset people love feedback and criticism. So feedback and criticism is something like you will keep getting. You can be at any phase in your life. आप लाइफ के किसी भी पड़ाव में हो सकते हैं, but you will always get feedback and criticism by people. दिस इज समथिंग जो कि कभी रुकेगी नहीं. लोग कुछ ना कुछ बोलते ही रहेंगे आपकी सक्सेस के बारे में, आपके फेलियर्स के बारे में, और आपके स्टेप्स के बारे में, आपके एक्शंस के बारे में, आपके इन एक्शंस के बारे में. कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा ही आपको सुनने के लिए मिलेगा ही, नो मैटर वेयर आर यू इन योर लाइफ. आप किसी भी फेज में हो सकते हो अपने लाइफ के. मे बी यू कैन बी अ मैनेजर इन MNC company, or you can be a Bill Gates, right? So you can be anybody, but you will always keep getting these feedback and criticism from people. So usually those people who don't like criticism or don't like feedbacks, they always, you know, they don't take step forward, they don't move forward, they stop themselves. And on the other hand, growth mindset people take criticism as feedback, and they take it as in a positive way. So जब भी आपको कोई भी फीडबैक या क्रिटिसिज्म लोगों से मिलता है, सो जस्ट टेक इट एज अ फीडबैक एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड्स. दिस इज हाउ you know people who are success, do they take criticism as a feedback. So fixed mindset people think that I don't like doing what I don't know. I don't like doing what I don't know. But on the other hand, people who have growth mindset, they like learning about new thing, and they keep learning. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो कि एक्चुअली कुछ नया नहीं करना चाहते हैं, वो बस उसी उसमें रहते हैं, फ़ेज़ में, उसी स्टेट में रहते हैं जहाँ पे कोई भी नया चैलेंज उनके पास में आता है, वो लेते नहीं हैं, एंड दे लाइक कि मुझे तो आता ही नहीं, तो मैं करूँ भी क्यों? सपोज़ आपके बॉस ने आपको चैलेंज किया है कि आपको पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करनी होगी, हमारे ऑफ़िस की मीटिंग हो रही है और आपको एक पब्लिक स्पीच देनी होगी हमारी सभी ऑडियंस को। तो फिक्स माइंडसेट के लोग जो होंगे वो इस चैलेंज को नहीं लेंगे, बिकॉज़ इट विल बिकम चैलेंज फॉर देम, और उनको आता नहीं है, तो इसीलिए वो काम करना भी नहीं पसंद करेंगे। बट ऑन अदर हैंड, अगर सेम सिचुएशन ग्रोथ माइंडसेट के लोगों के साथ में होती है, सो दे टेक द चैलेंज इवन इफ दे डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट। उनको पता भी नहीं है कैसे पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करनी है, सब फिर भी बॉस ने बोला है कि ओके ठीक है, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करनी है, दे टेक द चैलेंज एंड दे आर लाइक ओके, आई विल लर्न अबाउट द पब्लिक स्पीकिंग। सो इट्स लाइक कि उन्होंने चैलेंज लिया, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की, बेशक हाथ पैर कपकपा रहे थे, वो शिवरिंग हो रही थी, दे वर not sure if if they can do, but still they did it. तो इस तरीके के लोग जो होते हैं वो ही लाइफ में आगे जाते हैं, बिकॉज चैलेंज, एक बार अगर आपने उस चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट किया, इट मीन्स यू आर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, राइट? और अगर आपने चैलेंज नहीं लिया तो इट विल ऑलवेज put you back, it will never help you. So yeah, this is fixed mindset and growth mindset. I hope it all made sense, and now let's see how to develop mindset of success, how to develop growth mindset, because this is what we are here for, right? If um, if we can if we have power to bring the change, then why not start from today, right? So let's see how to develop a growth mindset, how to develop a mindset of success. So number 1, take ownership of your attitude. So your attitude is everything. Make sure, if you are sad, stressed, depressed, whatever you are, you always take a responsibility of your own emotions, your feelings, and your actions and your behavior. So take responsibility of all and everything, how you are thinking, how you are behaving, how you are taking action and not taking action. So both, because action and inaction both are creating success and failure for us. So decide for yourself what you want, and then take responsibility of your goals, of your dreams, of your desires, of your plan for your life. So this is what is taking responsibility is all about. Okay. And number second is face your challenges bravely. So as we discussed before, challenges comes into our life to help us to move forward, help us to bring the growth, right? So yes, whenever challenge comes into your life, take it as, take it with your full heart, and do whatever it takes to fulfill the requirement, and be balanced, be grounded. This is how, you can take the challenge and you can grow in your life. And number third is acknowledge and embrace your imperfection. We always think, that we are always imperfect, or we are not perfect. But this is some kind of perfection in itself is a lie. We can never be perfect. Again, I'll say, you can be a manager in MNC company, or you can be a Bill Gates. There is always an opportunity to grow. You always can grow. So imperfection, कोई word नहीं है. Okay, so never think that you are imperfect in something. Just take responsibility, take full responsibility, and take the action. Okay, because during the process, of course, you will keep learning, you will learn more and many things. So if you think you are imperfect in something, still take actions, if you want that you need to learn some new things, then learn new thing. There is no problem, right? But just keep in mind that you always can grow. You always can grow. Okay. And next is pay attention to your words and thoughts. So yes, my friend, words and thoughts are something that influences our actions and inaction. Whatever we think inside our head, that inner voice actually influence our behaviors, influence our actions and inaction. सो डोंट थिंक कि भाई लोग नहीं सुन सकते हैं मेरे माइंड में क्या चल रहा है, या मैं किस तरीके का बोल रहा हूँ, नेगेटिव बोल रहा हूँ या पॉजिटिव बोल रहा हूँ। लोग नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं, इसीलिए इन थॉट्स की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है, या फिर ये मैटर ही नहीं करती हैं। माय फ्रेंड, योर थॉट्स एक्चुअली, it's some real vibrations in your head. So your brain do all and everything that this voice and your thought says. If sometime you think that you cannot, then your brain gives and counter thoughts to make you believe that yes, you cannot do. But on other hand, if you say I can, then your brain will start to give you those encounter thoughts that will say that yes, you can do. Right? So our mind always gives us that encounter thoughts अकॉर्डिंग टू द फर्स्ट थॉट। जो भी पहला थॉट हम अपने माइंड को देते हैं, उससे रिलेटेड हमारा ब्रेन बहुत सारे और भी एनकाउंटर थॉट्स देता है। तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि अगर आपने कभी अपने आप से बोला कि मैं नहीं कर सकता, तो आपका माइंड आपको इस बात को सच करने के लिए बहुत सारे एनकाउंटर थॉट देगा कि आप क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं। अगर आपने सोचा कि मैं जिम नहीं कर सकता हूँ, पतला नहीं हो सकता हूँ, तो आपका माइंड बोलेगा कि यस, हाँ, नहीं कर सक आप ये नहीं कर सकते, पतले नहीं हो सकते। क्यों? क्योंकि आपको सुबह उठने में लेज़ी फ़ील होता है, आप ज़्यादा वेट ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर पाते हैं, आप ज़्यादा भाग नहीं पाते हैं, या फिर जिम करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है। तो इस तरीके के नेगेटिव थॉट्स जो हैं, एनकाउंटर नेगेटिव थॉट्स आपको आने लगेंगे, जो कि आपको आपके एक्शंस को इनएक्शन में तब्दील कर देंगे। और inactions are takes you towards failure, right? As we discussed before. And on the other hand, if you are thinking that I can, अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं कर सकता हूँ, तो आपका माइंड आपको एनकाउंटर थॉट्स देगा कि भाई यस, आप कर सकते हैं। कैसे कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि इसने किया है, दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल, इफ दे कैन डू, वाई कैन नॉट आई, and it is really easy. I can do 10 minutes of jogging or 10 minutes of weight training. That's how I can make it possible, right? तो इस तरीके की पॉजिटिव एनकाउंटर थॉट्स आपका ब्रेन आपको देने लगता है, जो कि एक्चुअली में आपको हेल्प करता है एक्शन लेने के लिए। इसीलिए वर्ड्स एंड थॉट्स बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। ओके, सो व्हेनेवर यू थिंक यू cannot, just replace your can't to can. Okay. And next is value the process over the end result. Yes, हम हमेशा रिजल्ट के बारे में सोचते रहते हैं कि सक्सेस मिलेगी, सक्सेस मिलेगी, सक्सेस मिलेगी, और कभी भी जो जर्नी होती है सक्सेस तक पहुंचने के लिए, हम उसे एंजॉय नहीं कर पाते हैं। और उस जर्नी में एक्चुअली में जो जर्नी होती है सक्सेस तक पहुंचने के लिए, उस जर्नी में बहुत सारे उतार चढ़ाव होते हैं, बहुत सारे ट्रायल एंड एरर्स होते हैं, आप बहुत सारी चीजें नई सीख रहे होते हैं। और श्योरली ड्यूरिंग दैट फेज, ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड, बहुत बार ऐसा होगा कि जहां आपको लगेगा कि मे बी आई कैन नॉट डू, मे बी इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, बट इफ यू कीप ट्राइंग, then definitely you reach to the success. That's why it is really important to enjoy the journey. Have goal in your mind, for sure, have that bigger goal in your mind, and then enjoy that period also, where you are doing all and everything to achieve that goal. So enjoy the process also, enjoy the journey also. And next is, you may not be able to change what happens around you, but you always can have choice. You always can choose how you respond, how you react, and how you view the situation. सो हम लोगों को चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं, वो कैसा बोल रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं, या फिर किस तरीके का रिस्पॉन्स हमें मिल रहा है। बट हम हमेशा चूज कर सकते हैं, सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि हम किसी भी सिचुएशन को, किसी भी इवेंट को, किसी भी फीडबैक को पॉजिटिव लें या नेगेटिव लें। और साथ ही साथ में हम चूज कर सकते हैं कि कैसे हम बिहेव करें किसी भी सिचुएशन में, हमें एक्शन लेना है या नहीं लेना है। जस्ट टेक conscious decision of all and everything, that yes, no matter what is happening around me, I take a responsibility to take the action towards the goal that I set for myself, towards the life that I want for myself. Okay, so yes, this is how you can develop a wonderful mindset of success. I hope it will help you, and it will help you to bring that transformation into your life. If you practice all and everything, then I can assure the success for yourself. Okay, my friends, so this is all. So if you have any question related to this subjects, do drop me in the comment box and I surely gonna reply them. Okay, so thank you so much. Wish you all the good luck, wish you all the success and happiness. Thank you.